Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Jackie. Today we are having a tutorial on how to prepare spaghetti Irish in beef. The outcome is going to be so amazing. I'll be having a few tutorials on how to cook. Yeah, I love cooking so much. So today, let's see how this amazing dish is. It's my first video, I think, to cook. Though I had cooked in my previous, there's a video I made. My morning routine. I prepared breakfast. So today we are preparing lunch, Irish spaghetti in beef. Let's get started. So guys, this is what I'm going to use. That's meat. Those are tomatoes, some carrots, and these are French beans. I love them so much. We have garlic, onions, green pepper, cucumber, yeah, some TS. These are onions. Yeah, these are leaf onions. They are very, very tasty. We have oatmeal, and these are my spices, and this is Santa Lucia, the spaghetti I'm gonna use. So let us cut the tomatoes, carrots, and whatever. As I'm cutting, I'm actually going to take this meat. I want my meat to get ready. By the time I'm done with everything, then we get to the next step. That I had forgotten to tell you about the Irish. Yeah, Irish is going to be inclusive in our meal. So guys, my meat is on gas. Yeah, you can see it's already boiling. So we are going to wait for it. You know, beef takes long to get ready, so we shall wait for it for about 30 minutes or 45 minutes to get ready. So I'm done cutting our ingredients. That's Irish, and I've mixed the tomatoes, green pepper, carrots, French beans, the onion leaves together. The only thing I didn't mix in this was onions and garlic. The reason why I mix these other ingredients is because there's a certain taste they give to the food when you mix them before cooking them. Yeah, these in Uganda we call them birungo. So yeah, this is how they look like. Very nice. So they give some nice taste to the food when you mix them. You don't separate them. The only thing I didn't put together with the tomatoes and the rest, onions and garlic. So let's get to the cooking. It's time for putting on gas. This is the oil I use. I use olive oil to cook. It's very nice. It has less cholesterol. Actually, maybe it has totally nothing. It's healthy. Olive oil is healthy, so we are gonna put on the gas. So guys, our pan is hot. I'm gonna put the oil. I need to put enough oil because the tomatoes are quite many and all the stuff I mixed. Yep. It's not too much oil, guys. It's not too much oil. So we are going to first put the garlic. Yeah. Yeah, then we put the onions. So our onions are almost getting to golden brown. Before they get to golden brown, You put your meat. The pieces don't want to get out. They are stuck in the saucepan. You put your meat. So that's our meat. So you keep on mixing. So guys, as you can see, our onions are turning golden brown. Make sure that you don't burn the onions. Yeah, you keep mixing. We are soon putting tomatoes. So we are going to bring the tomatoes and put, yeah. So you mix. Guys, check that. I can't wait. Guys, I'm loving this before it even gets ready. Oh my god. So guys, I'm going to put my Reiko. So we shall first put Reiko. Put another one. Then I put nice. And beef Reiko. Yeah. So guys, that is it. You can see how our sauce is looking very nice. So we are going to add some water, not a lot, just a little, because remember I told you that we are going to mix this in spaghetti. You let it boil for like 2 minutes, then we put it off and prepare the spaghetti. Yeah, so that is it. You can see our beef just there. Oh my god, I can't wait. So that's the water that is going to boil the spaghetti. The water I have added in Irish. Remember, Irish gets ready like longer than the spaghetti, so I had to first put the Irish. By the time I put the spaghetti, the Irish will be ready. And I just remove the Irish. If it's not yet ready, you can mix them, but you keep on checking, and you keep on checking the Irish with a fork. If it's ready, you can put them out and you wait for the spaghetti to get ready. So guys, as you can see, the Irish, the water and the Irish, they are both boiling, and it's been like 15 minutes, and I've checked the Irish is not yet ready. So I'm going to just mix with the spaghetti, and I'll keep on checking the Irish. Yep. So guys, that is it. So I'm going to add some little salt. Remember, we had put salt in the sauce. We are going to mix. So you just have to know the amount of salt you are using in both dishes, because the salt has to balance. Yeah, so I'll add some salt. Then I wait for my food to get ready. Our spaghetti is ready. I've just removed off the gas. I had removed the Irish, just like that. Yeah, so we are going to mix the spaghetti with the sauce that we first made. Yeah, so guys, I had to first warm our sauce. It didn't take long. Within 2 minutes it had started boiling. Remember, it was still a bit hot. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to use to mix this. Yeah, so we are going to get our spaghetti. I don't want to throw it out. Bring in our pan. So we start mixing. So we mix very well. I still have spaghetti that I've not yet got from this side. So guys, that is our final look. Check. Oh my god, I'm going to show you what you do with the Irish, yeah, when I'm preparing to eat, because I have to eat. And you see, I'm going to tell you how it tastes, guys. Just the smell is just extremely nice. Oh, you can see the pieces of meat. Yeah. Hello guys, we are getting to the end of the video, and this is what we had today. So let's see how it tastes. Let me get some water first. I love ice water so much, especially when it's this hot, because I get some tears. Actually, this is one of the cheapest tomato sauce in Uganda. I think it's something like 1.5, 1.8. Yeah. Let's see. By the way, the Irish, you just get like I got like 4, and you just mix with the food you're going to eat. So this is what you get. Let us see. Guys, this is nice. There's a lot of wind where we are. Don't mind about the wind. Guys, this is guys, you should try cooking this. The wind is a lot. Yeah. Cucumber. it is extremely nice. You guys should try out this dish. It's easy and nice. I think I should hold my food and you guys see it very well. My food is that nice. See? Yeah. So I'm going to finish my food, maybe half of it because it's a lot. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. See you next time. Bye bye.